problems of Delhi only. Actually, I told you in my earlier class that Delhi city has gone through different phases with different layout by the different rulers for different purpose with different technology and different requirements. Now with the changing requirement, Delhi altered accordingly, and that alteration created a lot of problems in this city. So basically this urban Delhi city has a certain, let me give you 5 different type of land uses in Delhi. So what list of land uses? List of basically land use for settlement. Settlement. Pehla land use is for planned city, planned habitation. B is old city. Old city means Shahjahanabad. Walled city. Old, or you can say walled city. Shahjahanabad. This is typically the architecture of Central Asia. C is, you can say, New Delhi. This is the Gothic architecture, the British architecture. And this is, apart from that, we have illegal colonies. We have villages, native villages. We have slums, unorganized, highly unorganized. And in the planned habitation, we have plotted house. We have flatted house, flat. And flats are generally 2-story, 3-story, 4-story, 5-story, and up to 10-story. Over the time, we keep increasing the story of the houses. Apart from that, this is only for settlement, the land use. These are the different type of settlement. If we will look carefully, illegal colonies before 1962. 62 is the time when DDA have taken place. DDA से पहले जो बस गई, वो बस गई. DDA के बाद जो बनी, so basically Hindu refugees. These are the colonies for Hindu refugees. All the nagars located in the name of freedom fighter in Delhi, and illegal, they are not in a planned order. According to, generally they are known as kacha quarters. I told you, kacha quarter. I told you all Moti Nagar and Karampura and in your area Ramesh Nagar, they are all kacha quarters. ईंटें पकाने का टाइम नहीं था, ब्रिकलिन नहीं थे, कोल नहीं था, लेकिन घरों की जरूरत थी तो कच्ची ईंटों से घर बना दिए. Then illegal colonies on common land. Common land, village common land. गांव पंचायत की जमीन थी, so that is developed. Illegal colony on agricultural land. Illegal colony on water bodies. Illegal colonies on landfill sites, etc. So there are the series of the land uses. कोई एक तरह का नहीं है, there are the series of land uses. Apart from that, see, this is for settlement, means residential purpose. Other land use pattern of city are basically for industrial activities. Industrial, we have planned industrial areas in Delhi. Delhi city we have planned industrial areas like Mayapuri is the planned industrial area, Mangolpuri is the planned, Patpadganj, Okhla is the planned industrial area. Then unplanned industrial areas. Unplanned are basically villages are there. Basically this is very peculiar about Delhi. Okay, after independence, most of the native villages in the Delhi, they are anchored by the urban sprawl. Urbanization keep expanding and the villages are encroached, their agricultural land has been encroached. But the settlement area, which is known as Laldora land, meant for residential purpose, there is no specific rule for administering the Laldora land. That there is no rule even today that the building plan is required to be approved by the municipality, the village land. गांव में घर बनाने के लिए कोई नक्शा अप्रूव नहीं होता है, गांव में घर बनाने के लिए कोई घर का कोई हाउस टैक्स नहीं लगता है, गांव में फैसिलिटी सारी चाहिए. सो गांव की कोई लाइन स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं है, जिगजैग रोड है, डेड एंड्स है, एनक्रोच्ड रोड है, उनका कोई रूल्स नहीं है, बिकॉज देयर इज नो रूल, नो मैपिंग, नो ड्राइंग. सो दे आर प्लॉटेड इन वन नंबर. हिस्टोरिकली ओवर द जनरेशंस जैसे लोग रहते हैं, सो दे कैन चेंज द लैंड यूज बेटर. जो गांव थे उनकी एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड चली गई तो उन्होंने ऑल्टरनेट सर्च किया, तो इंडस्ट्री को बुला लिया, कुछ किराए पे देना शुरू कर दिया, घरों को किराए पे इंडस्ट्री नीचे लगा दी, ऊपर किराए पे दे दिया मकान. आधे मकान को नीचे इंडस्ट्री है, ऊपर किराए पे दिया, आधे मकान में खुद रहते हैं. दैट इज देयर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, सीरीज ऑफ विलेजेस become a super specialized industrial complex. Like you are sitting in this college, we have this area, the college is located in the area of Basai Darapur village. Basai Darapur village की ये एग्रीकल्चरल लैंड थे, जब एनक्रोच हुए तो क्या हुआ, उस गांव की एग्रीकल्चर which was the source of their economy, that land is encroached upon. So electronic industry came, the ceiling fan,